Welcome to the mesmerizing world of Lux.
Where raw nature meets industrial precision.
Infused with world-class fragrances.
Milled to absolute perfection. Shaped by massive pressure. Stamped with our legacy.
Millions of bars produced every day.
Packaged with state-of-the-art robotics. Ready to reach homes across the globe. This is how Lux soap is made in the USA. The journey of Lux begins far away from the factory floor. In vast palm here, skilled workers prepare to harvest the essential raw material. Only the ripest fresh fruit bunches are selected for extraction. These fruits contain the rich oils that form the base of. They are quickly gathered to ensure maximum freshness before extraction. Time is of the essence in preserving the oil's natural qualities. Hundreds of bunches are collected daily from this single sector. The raw fruits are rich in both palm oil and palm kernel oil. They are loaded onto trucks for immediate transport to the local extraction. At the mill, the fruits will be sterilized and pressed. The result is crude palm oil, a viscous, golden liquid ready for refinement. This golden harvest is now ready for quality assessment.
Before shipping to the USA, the raw oil must pass strict quality checks.
Initial field sampling ensures the oil meets preliminary standards.
Experts look for clarity, color, and proper viscosity.
Temperature and moisture levels are critical metrics at this stage. Too much moisture can ruin the saponification process later on. All data is logged and synced with the main factory's database. Pre-made soap noodles also undergo rigorous physical inspection. They check for uniform density and absence of air pockets. Approved samples are sealed and prepared for the journey.
With the green light given, the raw materials are cleared for export.
Thousands of miles away, the raw materials arrive at the cutting-edge USA facility. Tankers carry the refined oils and liquid lye, while trailers carry the dry soap noodles. Precision logistics ensure a continuous flow of ingredients. Operators connect high-pressure hoses to transfer the liquids. Powerful pumps activate, pulling the raw materials into the factory's storage. These massive silos are climate-controlled to keep the oils in a liquid state.
Meanwhile, the dry soap noodles arrive in massive bulk bags.
These noodles provide the structural foundation for the Lux bar.
They are poured directly into the factory's internal delivery system. Thousands of pounds of raw soap base are processed every hour. Automated systems track every ounce of material entering the facility. The factory is a non-stop engine of production. Before production begins, let's admire the pure ingredients.
Sodium hydroxide, the catalyst that transforms oil into soap. Premium soap noodles, the blank canvas of our creation.
The signature element, world-class floral extracts. Concentrated perfumes designed by master perfumers.
Heat and steam will bind these elements together. Vivid pigments give Lux its iconic, luxurious appearance. Precision engineering ensures a flawless blend. The final goal, an unmatched bathing experience. But achieving this perfection requires rigor.
Check the parameters on the display. The blue samples are ready for analysis. Confirmed. Loading the next batch.
Automated precision ensures the lye concentration is perfectly balanced.
Spectrometry analyzes the oil's molecular structure for absolute purity. No impurities can bypass these microscopic checks. Alkalinity levels are strictly monitored to ensure the soap is gentle on the skin.
Even the fragrance oils are weighed down to the microgram.
Gas chromatography confirms the perfume matches the signature Lux scent profile.
Every test is documented and attached to a specific batch number.
Moisture levels in the soap noodles dictate how well the final bar will press.
Physical stress tests ensure the base is neither too brittle nor too soft.
A tight crystalline structure guarantees a smooth, long-lasting bar.
Once all tests pass, the batch is officially released to the production floor.
Now, the real heavy lifting begins. Welcome to the heart of the...
The journey starts in the primary blending crutchers.
Heated, liquefied soap base is pumped into the giant vessel. Powerful agitators ensure the mixture is kept in constant motion.
The temperature is carefully raised to maintain a fluid consistency. Supplemental refined oils are added to boost the moisturizing properties.
The blending must be perfectly homogeneous.
Operators monitor the exact ratios of base to additive oils. Check the viscosity on vat 3. Looks good.
Steam heat is used, as direct flames would damage the sensitive oils.
The speed increases to force the heavier oils into the emulsion.
The raw ingredients are now fully integrated.
Essential stabilizers are added to protect the soap's integrity.
After an exact blending cycle, the initial phase is complete.
The hot, blended mixture is now ready for the next crucial chemical phase. It is transferred via insulated pipelines to the reaction chambers.
The viscosity is perfect, flowing like thick, hot custard. Welcome to the main saponification reactor.
This is where the true chemical transformation occurs.
Inside the sealed reactor, precise amounts of sodium hydroxide are injected.
This triggers saponification, the chemical reaction that creates real soap.
The reaction generates immense natural heat and
Heavy-duty turbines force the reacting elements to bind perfectly.
The goal is complete saponification, leaving zero unreacted lye behind.
The violent reaction subsides, leaving a pure, raw, liquid soap paste.
A powerful vacuum system is activated to pull out trapped air.
Removing air pockets is crucial. Otherwise, the final bar.
The vacuum ensures a dense, solid, and premium final product.
A quick floor test confirms the pH balance is perfectly skin-friendly.
The test proves the saponification process is 100% complete.
The pure, hot liquid soap base is now discharged from the reactor. It flows like molten lava, ready for its unique identity.
Next stop, the finishing mixers.
Here is where the generic soap base becomes a true Lux bar.
These machines will precisely inject the magic ingredients.
The paste is kept hot and agitated to accept the new additions. The transformation is about to begin. First, the iconic pink coloration is injected directly into the vortex.
The high-speed blades instantly fold the color into the dense paste. Within seconds, the base transforms into a vibrant, uniform pink.
Next comes the soul of Lux, the bespoke fragrance.
A complex blend of French rose extracts and exotic floral notes.
The chamber is sealed to prevent the volatile perfumes from evaporating. High shear mixing guarantees every millimeter of soap is evenly scented.
Lux's famous moisturizing silk proteins are added for that soft skin feel. The mixture is now a rich, luxurious, highly aromatic soap base. Temperature control is vital. Too hot, and the fragrance degrades.
Once perfectly homogenized, the hot pink paste is released. It drops onto a transport belt, signaling the end of the liquid phase. The soap must now be transformed from a hot paste into a solid.
The ambient air begins the rapid cooling process.
It travels directly into a specialized chilling unit. Sub-zero air is blasted over the paste, solidifying it rapidly.
The quick drop in temperature locks in the fragrance molecules.
It emerges as a solid, semi-hardened sheet of pure pink soap.
This solid sheet cannot be stamped yet. It must be refined.
Massive steel rollers crush the soap, compressing the crystalline structure. Forcing it through sub-millimeter gaps eliminates any microscopic inconsistencies. It passes through a 3-roll mill, each roller spinning faster than the last.
At the final drum, a sharp blade awaits.
It scrapes the compressed soap into delicate, fluffy pink flakes.
This milling process is what gives Lux its famously smooth, creamy lather.
The flakes are now perfectly uniform, intensely fragrant, and ready.
A giant screw conveyor transports the flakes to the final shaping stage. They are lifted high above the factory floor to the extrusion plotters.
The plotter is essentially an enormous, high-pressure meat grinder for soap. The flakes are fed into the heavy, rotating steel augers. As the flakes are pushed forward, immense pressure builds up. The pressure melts the flakes back together into a single, dense mass.
A final vacuum removes any remaining air trapped between the flakes. The dense mass is forced towards a heated conical die.
It is squeezed through a precisely machined shaping plate. The soap emerges as a flawless, continuous, solid billet. This endless ribbon of soap is incredibly dense and perfectly smooth. The heat of extrusion gives it a naturally glossy, polished finish. Its dimensions perfectly match the width of the final Lux bar.
Laser sensors constantly monitor the thickness to ensure absolute uniformity.
Micro adjustments are made instantly to maintain precision. The continuous log must now be divided into individual portions. A high-speed rotary wire cutter slices through the dense soap, cutting perfectly proportioned, rectangular soap blanks.
These unshaped blocks are known in the industry as billets. They are exactly the right weight, but lack the elegant Lux shape.
A light cooling mist preps the surface for the massive pressure to come.
They are funneled into a single file line at incredible speed.
Entering the most iconic phase of the production line. The high-capacity hydraulic stamping press.
Each billet is precisely positioned into a custom brass die.
The die features the elegant curves and the iconic logo.
Tons of hydraulic pressure slam down in a fraction of a second.
The pressure forces the soap to perfectly fill the mold's every curve.
The die lifts, revealing the unmistakable silhouette of Lux. The bar is gently ejected from the brass casing.
Flawless embossing, perfectly precision blades slice away the excess flashing from the edges. Zero waste. All scraps are immediately recycled back to the extruder.
The finished bar is now ready for its final journey. Operating at blistering speeds, stamping hundreds of bars a minute.
A mesmerizing flow of perfect, fragrant beauty.
Every single bar passes under advanced optical scanning cameras.
AI vision detects any microscopic dents, cracks, or off-center logos.
Imperfect bars are instantly blown off the line by compressed air. Only the absolute finest quality bars proceed to packaging. Lux's signature premium packaging paper is spooled up.
Tensioners ensure the wrapper will be perfectly aligned.
The soap meets its iconic floral wrapper. Robotic folders wrap the paper tightly around the bar's curves.
Heated pads instantly seal the ends, ensuring a tamper-proof package.
The artwork is flawlessly centered over the bar. Lasers etch the batch codes for complete traceability. These machines package hundreds of bars every single minute.
For promotional sales, bars are often grouped together.
High-speed robots bundle the bars into multi-packs.
Hot melt glue secures the premium multi-pack sleeves. The finished products now move to the final boxing stage.
Automated case packers prepare the heavy-duty shipping cartons.
The bars are collated into precise grid formations.
A hydraulic arm slides the entire batch smoothly into the carton.
The cartons are sealed tight for their long journey.
Automated printers label the cartons with distribution barcodes. The heavy boxes roll smoothly toward the loading bay.
A heavy-duty robotic arm takes over the heavy lifting.
Using vacuum suction, it effortlessly moves multiple heavy cartons. It stacks them in a perfect, interlocking geometric pattern. This ensures maximum stability during global transport.
The completed pallet moves to the shrink wrap station.
Industrial stretch wrap secures the tower of cartons tightly together.
A final scan, and the pallet is ready for the warehouse. Driverless vehicles transport the goods into the mega warehouse. This smart factory utilizes fully automated logistics. Millions of bars of Lux soap are stored in this climate-controlled facility.
Automated cranes store the pallets in a high-density racking system.
Everything is tracked by a central AI inventory system.
Ready to be shipped to supermarkets, hotels, and homes globally.
At the dispatch bays, the final journey begins.
Forklifts load the pallets securely into the transport trailers.
Sealed and secured for cross-country distribution.
From this USA factory, Lux travels to millions of destinations.
Bringing world-class fragrance and care to your daily routine.
The result of immense pressure, precision, and passion.
A legacy of luxury, born in the factory, enjoyed by...
This is the art of soap making. This is Lux.